Good evening, ladies and gents. This is your boy Crypto Cam here. I hope all of you are doing incredibly well. I wanna welcome you all to this step-by-step series on BITMEX margin trading. Today's topic that we have is on setting stop loss. I'm gonna talk about the importance of stop loss, ladies and gents. Stop loss is very, very, very important in our trading. If you don't use stop loss, if you don't use stop loss, you can literally lose 20, 30, 40, or even 100% of your principal. So always trade with a stop loss. We always recommend trading with a stop loss, especially once you're trading on BITMEX, where you're using leverage, which means that you can make a ridiculous amount of money if you do the risk management the way we're telling you to do by setting the stop loss. So let's jump straight into this, and let me show you how to set your stop loss on BITMEX so you guys can start making a lot of money. And also, obviously, avoid any risks or minimize any risks that are out there with BITMEX trading. So I was just checking this US chart, but let me sort of scroll this out. Okay, so once you log into your BITMEX account, this is how it would look like. This is how your BITMEX account would look like. So let's say, for example, you're trading on Bitcoin, or let's say someone's giving you a signal, or you're doing your own analysis or whatever. Let's say for this hypothetical example, I'll give you my example, so it's going to be easier for you to understand. So let's say you're following my signals group, and let's say we've given you a signal for, let's take EOS is already there, so let's take EOS as a hypothetical example. So let's say we've given you a signal for EOS over here, and let's say we've asked you to enter EOS at 882. Remember, the last one doesn't really matter. So once you get in signals, obviously, as you know. So let's say we've given you an entry for 882. So you're gonna obviously enter at 882. You already entered at that price. Now you want to set a stop loss. We've given you a take profit, and we've given you a stop loss. Let's say we've given you a stop loss, which is 788. Let's say that's the stop loss you've given you. Now, how are you going to set the stop loss? Really important, ladies and gents. This is where, again, this is at the top here where it says place order. If you go here at the bottom, you can see three things. It says limit, it says market, and it says stop market. You're going to click on stop market. Over here, you're going to put 778 because that's the signal that you've received, or that was your that was your analysis. Once you click 878 over here, 878, that was a stop loss in this hypothetical example that we used. You're going to click on sell, set, sell, stop. Once you click on that over here, you're going to click on sell. And as soon as you click on sell, you will have a stop loss, which will be set over here. That's how simple it is, ladies and gents, to set your stop losses with BITMEX. Like I said again, it's really important that we set our stop losses. I'm going to give you another hypothetical example, just so that you guys understand, because this is really important. It's really important for you to set the stop losses when trading. Let's say we are trading on Tron, and let's say you received a signal that, you know what, you're going to enter at the market price, which is 346. So you've already entered, you're going to go on the market, you're going to buy or whatever. I'll make a separate video where I'll show you how to execute an order. So once you enter the market, you're going to put the stop loss in. All you're going to do is, let's say the stop loss in this hypothetical example we've given you is what, 340. Okay, let's say we'll tell you your stop loss is over here, which is 340. So all you're going to do is, again, it says limit, it says market, it says stop loss. You're going to say stop market. You're going to click on stop market. Whatever signal we're going to give you, let's say in this hypothetical example is 340. You're going to put that here at 340. Click on sell, stop, set, sell, stop. Once you click on that, you're going to click on sell. And once you click on sell, job done, your stop loss is done. That's how simple it is. That's how easy and simple it is to sell basically put the stop losses in. Same thing once you're buying as well, once you're selling as well, by the way. Let's say, for example, I'll give you another hypothetical example once you're selling. So let's say we're talking now Bitcoin Cash. For example, we give you a signal for Bitcoin Cash to buy. Of course, it's not a good charts don't suggest us to buy, but we're just giving you a hypothetical example. So let's say we give you a signal to buy in the market, which is 840. So you're bought in the market. Now you want to sell a stop loss. We will tell you, let's say, for example, the stop loss for this trade that's been given to you is 848. So all you're going to do, again, go here on stop market, put 848 and click on set buy stop. This time you're going to do buy. And once you click on that, click on buy, and that's it. Your stop loss is set. So really simple. Once you're setting the stop loss, if you're selling, you're going to go on the stop loss and click set buy stop. And once you're buying, you're going to click on go on the stop loss and click set sell stop. That's how simple it is, ladies and gents. I hope this video was helpful and you have been able to understand the simple system of how to set stop losses. I'll be making, like I said, I'll be making a series of videos where I'll be sharing with you guys a lot of different topics regarding trading on BITMEX, because I want to make sure that you guys can take advantage from BITMEX trading and you guys make 40, 50, 60% profits on a daily basis from this exciting opportunity of leverage trading, margin trading, when by following our analysis or your personal analysis. It doesn't really matter. My videos are just there to help and support you guys. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, I will highly suggest you subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get a lot more updates, and you can get you're one of the first few people to get updates once we're making videos as such, because these videos are there just to help and support you guys. If you need to, again, if you're, as you guys know, we're providing margin trading signal services as well. So if you need to, if you're looking for margin trading signals and you want to know exactly when to enter, when to come out, and you want to enjoy 20 to 30 to 40 to 50% profits on a daily basis, don't forget to go in the description, join one of our groups on Facebook or Telegram, where we'll be sharing, where we share signals. We also share daily results where you'll be able to see people, live people who don't know nothing about trading, by just following our simple strategies and following our signals. They're making 20, 40, 50 to 100% profits on the daily, weekly, and monthly basis. That's pretty much it for this video, ladies and gents. I'll catch you all in my next video. Until then, take it easy. I'll see you all later, and I'll be signing off.